We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Today we're going to be looking at our 6x12 enclosed trailer. This is a V-nosed enclosed trailer with a white exterior aluminum skin. It is a single axle and it comes with one 3,500-pound greasable axle. It is fully wired with LED lights. It does have the rear ramp door with spring assist that is made of plywood. The walls are 3/8 inch plywood walls, and it does have 3/4 plywood flooring. There's a 32 inch side entry door that does come with a bar lock. It is 6 foot high inside. Does come with a roof vent. With the 2,000-pound jack. This trailer does have a 24 inch ATP stone guard on the front. And that is our 6x12 enclosed trailer. If you're interested, give us a call at 615-641-7720.